This video is about working with child OmniScripts inside a parent OmniScript. First of all, let's try to understand what is a reusable OmniScript. I'll just give you a bit of theory, then I have a practical example for you where I'll show you we have a parent OmniScript. Inside that, I'll be embedding a child OmniScript to add reusability to the functionality of OmniScripts. First of all, the requirement is to create something which can be reused across multiple OmniScripts. Why not create that as a component, as external component, as a child OmniScript? For example, it can be a get data, get case data, issue payment, or it can be an address functionality to display some information. So better to have that reusable OmniScripts. How to create that? Just create a simple OmniScript, just in the setup, mark that as a reusable and activate that OmniScript as a child so we can embed it in a OmniScript that's our parent OmniScript. I know it's a lot of OmniScripts I talked recently, but let's go to the demo. That'll give you a right picture. This is the parent OmniScript. One of the OmniScript that I've created just takes a contact field, first name, last name, information, and then I have a child OmniScript. Only thing is what I have done is inside my setup, I made them reusable. Check this checkbox. May activated this. This pushes the information in this child OmniScript from the parent. So now how to use that OmniScript in a parent OmniScript is just go to your build. Inside the OmniScript, drag this child OmniScript here. Now this is basically all the OmniScripts which are shown here. These were reusable. They were checked as reusable. That's why they are shown here. Let's see the magic happening. Go to the preview. It will launch the information. I'll fill the information. Let's see. Let's say. So go next. So this is my child OmniScript. It is showcasing all the information which is passed from the parent. As the information goes here, you can see it's being pushed here, and you can go back to the previous part also. So now we have seen the functionality, how the parent OmniScript works inside a child, but make sure we understand the reusability part of it. The whole purpose is to avoid infinite loops and maintain scalability, because what I have observed is when we have so many OmniScripts, the functionality, the performance is compromised. So that's why we can have only one reusable OmniScript can be included in the parent OmniScript. It doesn't mean you can embed it again and again. Another thing is, don't embed reusable OmniScript in another reusable OmniScript, because it will be like a nested of the functions, infinite loops, and you won't be able to maintain the scalability of the OmniScripts. So this was one of the way that we discussed in this video, where we had a parent OmniScript and a child OmniScript. In the next video, we'll talk about another way of launching a child OmniScript from a parent OS using the navigation method of it. Thanks for watching this video. Only one favor we need: subscribe and like to our channel. It motivates us to create more educational content for you, and post your comments for any issues that you're facing in your learning phase of Salesforce. We'll create videos for that. Thank you.